Here I have Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to remove PIN code from the SIM card on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the security section, and then advanced. Here you have this Virgin Mobile SIM card lock section. Here you will have the name of your mobile operator. You have to enter this section, and here you can disable PIN. Then you have to enter this PIN one last time, tap OK, and now you have it disabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.